Hey Neil. Hey Neil. So the first person I asked your question to about the changing
I'm the
expert was the boss of Boss Man. Do you know have you ever met Venturefar?
I think so. No, I don't think I have.
Well,
I'm not sure.
well, this is Don. This is our boss man. Okay. So I asked him, and he said, so just tell Neil what.
Mine always worked. I never had to change it. So, if it's not broke, I just didn't fix it.
Uh-oh, brother. This might be a little bit harder project than I thought.
Yeah.
You might have to go back to my. You might have to go back to my. You might have to. You might have.
Get the other side, otherwise it'll be out of bounds.
You might have to go back to my routine of just stabbing it with a stick, the radiator. Stab a stick in there. About to get run over here. This Canuckians, this one here especially.
We'll see you in August.
Or we'll see you. Or we'll see you on the way home if that motor in the front of that thing falls out.
I didn't like that either.